Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert images in Microsoft Excel. So how to insert images in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Here I will tell you 2 ways to insert images in Microsoft Excel. The first way. Enter and select the Insert menu. Tap Pictures. Tap this device Pictures. And select the image to be inserted. Reduce the size of the image. And insert it into the table. Then to add to the bottom box. Tap plus on the first image. And drag it down. To replace the second image. Tap Image. Tap right. And select Change Pictures. And select this device. And select Picture. And then do the same as in image number 1 and image number 2. For the second method. If the first method adjusts the image, now how to add an image to fill the box. Add a box in the table. Enter the Insert menu. Tap Shapes to add a box. And select Box. Move the cursor to the box where the image will be inserted. Tap Alt. And drag it to the bottom side. To add images, go to the Shape Format menu. Tap Shape Fills. And select Pictures. And insert the image. Then to add to the bottom box, tap plus on the first image. And drag it down. To change the second image and select Change Pictures. And select this device. And select Picture. And next do the same as in image number 1 and image number 2. So that's it. Tutorial how to insert images in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.